Today I was like, what am I going to cook? What am I going to cook? When I was at work, I was just thinking, when I get home, what am I going to cook? When I get home, I was just that tired. I was so tired, I just relaxed. At the same time, I was hungry. I cannot relax when I'm hungry. My tummy will not let me be. So I decided to enter kitchen to check what I have. So I just realized that I get yam for house. I not carry yam, cut am, peel am. I just slice and put for pot like that to carry my mortar come outside, put pepper, put onions, pan everything. The small dry fish wey I get and the yeye, I put everything together. So I just do kpakpa food. I make sure I just put all the ingredients for ground. I put all the spices, everything for ground. I add water before I put for something for fire. It not even take me how many minutes sef. Food don ready o. So then for here now, I just put water, I put everything like this. So guys, abeg, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Abeg, you guys should support me, abeg. You guys should support me, abeg. Subscribe if you like the video, comment, or if you get anything where you think say you miss for the pepper soup. I not put all the ingredients. Now what I get for house now, put so. Guys, it come outside well, it's sweet, and the pepper catch and well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, and God bless you. Remain blessed. Ciao.